Hey everybody, Casey in the kitchen here. I wanted to take a minute and show you what I am making for dinner tonight. I didn't even stop and put up my tripod or anything because it is 6:15 and I don't have dinner ready. But I have a solution for that, and I'm going to show you guys what I am making tonight. Now, I did not go to the store. I literally looked through the cupboards and the fridge and figured out what I had and how I could put that together because I really don't want to go to the store, and that's just the case sometimes. Am I right? Comment below if that's you some days. All right, so I'm going to flip the camera around and show you guys what I am making for dinner tonight. All right, guys, so I have our quick cooker, which is our electric pressure cooker. And what I did is I went ahead and set it on the sear setting here and started it. And it warmed up for about 2 to 3 minutes with a little bit of oil in it. I had some leftover pieces of stew meat that I had in the freezer. I just let them thaw for just a little bit, enough to where I could break them apart, and I threw them down in the hot oil because we can use this as a pan when we set it on the sear setting. We don't actually have to use the lid and pressure cook. So I just wanted to sear the outside of that meat, and then I hit cancel. And I looked through my fridge and I saw I had some leftover celery and carrots in there I needed to use up. And then I just chopped up some red potatoes and an onion. I found this in the cupboard, just a package of dry onion soup mix. And I stirred up some beef broth. So literally all I'm gonna do is pile all this into my quick cooker and make a fast, easy meal. What are you guys making for dinner tonight? Or you maybe already made dinner tonight. What did you have for dinner? Comment below, let me know what you had for dinner. So I love this pressure cooker because I can actually cook meats up to 70% faster, and my vegetables actually retain more of their nutrients because it's a faster cooking time. Yay, win-win, right? So I am not really going by a recipe here. I am just adding everything in that I think will go together. And that's kind of what happens after you use this many times. You will get used to it and be able to start branching out and really just doing whatever on your own. All right, so I've added in the beef broth. That's just gonna help make some yummy mixture down in there and help cook those potatoes. And I am gonna add that in, but I don't have 2 hands right now, so I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do here. So we just add the lid on like that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and select the beef pork setting here, and it's gonna cook for 35 minutes. It's gonna come up to pressure and cook for 35 minutes, and then I'm gonna release the steam, and we're gonna have dinner done in no time. So give me a thumbs up, give me a heart if you think you would enjoy this recipe, which, like I said, isn't really a recipe because I just made it up just like that. I thought I'd jump on here and show you guys how I am making that and using my quick cooker, which I love so much. If you need more information about it, you holler at me because this will be the new king or queen of your kitchen. Also, while that's cooking, I'm just gonna give you guys a sneak peek what my life is like. I'm gonna come over here and make like 40 breakfast burritos for my kids' basketball team because they have early morning practices coming up. And I had some leftover scrambled eggs from a breakfast we served. So I went ahead and cooked up a pound of sausage and a bag of frozen hash browns, and shredded up some cheese, put in some Pampered Chef seasonings. I used the 3 onion rub and the bell pepper rub and the garlic rub, and mixed it all together. And I'm gonna roll it up in these tortillas, put it in foil, and I'm gonna freeze them just like this. And then on that day, I'm gonna take them out, let them thaw, and then I'm gonna cook them in the oven, and they're gonna be good to go. Guys, this is the story of my life. It's all about cooking. So let me know if you have any questions at all and what you're cooking in your kitchen tonight or what you already did. Talk to you later.